Hi, I'm Akash Jain from Bangalore, professionally into family business which deals into various paper and plastic products. Been doing a lot of outdoor activities since past 10 years. Very interested in outdoor activities like mountaineering, trekking, cycling, and I've done quite a few Himalayan treks and a summit expedition. Last year we had summited Mount Stoke and really looking forward to be part of Trek Unstoppable, which is going to summit Mount Shitidhar, and very excited to be part of this team.
I'm Sunand Sampath. I'm the Managing Director of iQuest Adventures. I've been running this company for past about 8 years now. By education, did my engineering. I have worked with some companies before running an adventure-based firm. Adventure and travel have been a passion always, and we as a company are into high-altitude expeditions, both in India and other parts of the world. Apart from that, we do a lot of experiential learning-based training, adventure-based training, and many soft skill programs for schools, colleges, and companies. I am passionate about traveling, leading a nomadic life, cultures, people, and the issues that surround them, and various other such aspects of life. And looking forward to this Trek Unstoppable, the summit attempt to Mount Shitidhar, with a beautiful team and a beautiful cause that will power us to reach there. Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Hemant. I'm a marketing professional. I'm from Bangalore. To elaborate, I specialize in digital marketing and e-commerce. I consult for a lot of companies. And I do a fair bit of teaching as well, especially in the digital marketing domain. Apart from that, my actual passion lies in running, trekking, and mountaineering, especially in the Himalayas. And that's the reason I'm here, part of Team Unstoppable, and really excited and looking forward to the Mount Shitidhar climbing expedition soon.
So as I said earlier that I am all excited for the summit climb to Mount Shitidhar, but the excitement towards mountaineering is far lesser than the excitement for spreading awareness about a child marriage. As you all know that the legal age of marriage in India is about 18 years for girls and for 21 years for boys. But then in India there are a lot of cases where a girl is being pushed into marriage before 18 years of age. Childs are getting married at age of 12 years, 13 years. At the age when they should be more concentrated towards education, they are being pushed into marriage, household works. Their life comes to a halt. They have nothing else to do when they are pushed into marriage. Coming to statistics, I would like to say that around 45% of girls, even today in India, are being married before the age of 18. And cause of this, there are about like 1,46,000 deaths every year due to pregnancy-related cases. So this 1,46,000 is not a small number in today's time, and seeing the girls' potential, today's world they are into everything, corporate fields, politics, sports. So when we spread awareness, let a girl be educated, let she continue her life, and let her get married only after legal age, so that she can also do something for the society. So I would like every one of you to help my cause in spreading awareness about a girl marriage, and I like everyone to see that it doesn't continue in India. Thank you. I come from Rajasthan and I have seen cases of child marriage very closely. So I would like everyone to support my cause and help stop this girl-child marriage. Thank you.
As we get ready for this climbing expedition to Mount Shitidhar, as I said earlier, really excited and looking forward. You know, the thrill and challenge of a climb, a mountain climb in the majestic Himalayas, is always a thrill, but not easy, as I have faced personally in my previous expeditions, so have my team members. High altitude expeditions, especially in the Himalayas, is marked with obstacles, challenges and danger. Danger of falling into crevices, danger of being getting injuries, danger of getting mountain sickness and hence hallucinations and related things which you can get. So a mountaineer, a trekker has to go through all these challenges and danger while reaching the summit and coming down as well. The life of a girl child in India is similar. As she steps out of her home, her life is marred with a lot of challenges, a lot of dogmas, and a lot of prejudices. Even a simple thing such as access to education is such a problem. 53% of girl children in India from age group of 5 to 9 years are illiterate. There are a lot of causes of that. The prejudices at home, where a boy child is preferred over her for education, or even basic facilities like access to toilets in schools, or teachers teaching them certain subjects is not there. I hope through this expedition we will be able to highlight such problems which a girl child faces every day, especially access to education. I hope we are doing our bit to highlight this cause. I hope you also come together, share this message across, and highlight this problem to everyone around. Thank you.
And looking forward to this expedition, getting away from all this traffic all around the city, getting into high altitude gives me peace, relief, and I'm looking forward to spread awareness for crime, as also looking forward to go into mountains and give me some solo time.
It's a great motivation for iQuest Adventures to associate with child rights and youth, this crime. Because apart from doing high altitude expeditions, we have done n number of expeditions in the Indian mountains, in Africa, in Nepal and other places as well. Apart from doing all these expeditions, I think for us the great responsibility is to spread awareness about various issues the society is facing. And one of the most biggest issue that we as iQuest are supporting is the child rights issues. And no other option for us is better than supporting the child rights and youth endeavor to reach out to the girl child through spreading awareness by various programs and various initiatives.
Right now we are at our camp here. That side was Dhundi, then we walked across it and then came. Those are the Seven Sisters mountains, and we have our big mountains across this ridge here. And today is our acclimatization day and we did a nice walk. This is our campsite, the campers. Hi guys! All coming back after a long walk of around 4 hours. And this is our tent here. Hey Akash! So Akash in full swing there. And yeah, so this is a cause for which we associated iQuest Cry and our expedition itself, the rights of the girl child, that we want to spread a message about. So the various posters which we have made just to spread the message, and if you're watching this, please do get sensitized and I want you to spread it further. Thank you.
So this is another day on the mountains and we are heading towards the summit. Summit looks closer. It's not easy, but and as we go, we would like to spread this message about child labor. I think it's a very big pest that needs to be removed from our country and anywhere across the world, not just our country. Especially with 90% of the child labor, including the girls of age group of, let's say, around 12 to 17 years of age. And you know, it's a very big, I would say, curse on us. We see the child labor, wherever we see girl being put into child labor, either directly or indirectly, stop it or report it. You know, we are taking a lot of difficulties to climb this mountain. It's not an easy job, and we have this cause with us, and with full heart we are appealing to all of you to spread the message.
Hi there, I'm Hemant. As you can see, we have reached the base camp for our expedition to Mount Shitidhar. We started from Manali, went to Solang. We had a bout of bad weather. We stayed one more day at Solang, and yesterday we came here. What a tough walk. However, pretty educative. I mean, as we went along, we saw a lot of flora, fauna. We walked through apple orchards. A lot of things which we learned. I mean, more than the physical strain which you are putting. Talking of education, while it's been educative for us, but I don't know how many girl children in India are educated or literate. It's a really sorry state of affairs. What we are doing here through our expedition is trying to promote various causes for the right of the girl child. Education is one of them. I urge you to come forward and support the girl child in their right for education. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Akash. You see those 7 peaks standing behind me? Those are called as the 7 sisters of the Himalayas. They are located in the Pir Panjal range of Himachal Pradesh, very close to Biaskund. These mountains are huge, gigantic and majestic. I want every girl child in our nation to be as strong and independent as these mountains. Through these expeditions, I am trying to spread awareness about putting an end to child marriage. Child marriage is a very bad practice that has been followed in our country through many centuries. So I would ask every one of you to please help my cause in spreading awareness about putting an end to child marriage. Say no to child marriage.
One of the most beautiful campsites here. A high altitude heaven, I can say. Just before our high camp towards the summit, that's the Friendship Peak of Mount Shitidhar. Just look around. It's just amazing. Peaceful. It's a 360-degree. So this is glissading on Mount Shitidhar and enjoying the fun. ठीक है, चलो, enough of glissading. Our guide Deepak, very experienced guide, has suggested to walk, so we'll walk. Thank you. This is glissading. How do you do? Oh yeah, and look at the surrounding. Guys, if you're watching this on your computer, you're missing something. This is the reality. What do you say, Hemant?
Oh, it's awesome, man. Once in a lifetime
Yeah.
stuff, man.
Okay,
I'm going forward.
okay, Hemant.
Yeah.
Stop.
Hi there. So as you can see, ice axe sitting on snow. We're actually sliding down from the summit. We just summited Mount Shitidhar, and obviously it's a dedication to the girl child in association with CRY. For all the causes we are supporting. I'm sure Sunand will tell you more about it, more about the causes and the journey, which is not over, by the way. We still have to go a long way back to the base camp, but it's like I don't know, another 7-8 hours. Man. Sunand, what do you have to say to this?
Yeah.
Ah.
Okay. So it was a very tough attempt, push to the summit, I would say, but we had various motivation, energy that pushed us there. As you all know now, as Hemant has said, there it is, Akash on the way. Yeah, so it was a triumph, I must say, and we dedicate it really to the girl child. Guys, we are not joking. On this mountain, when we struggle so much in these sub-zero conditions, we don't want to joke. So iQuest Adventures, in association with CRY, Child Rights and You, have summited Mount Shitidhar. Myself, Hemant, Akash, then we have Deepak, then Raju, our support staff. I'm sorry, I didn't mention Sabina, a very important part of our team. And all of us really dedicated with heart and with the pain that we took. We have been awake since 12 o'clock in the night. In fact, last night we didn't sleep. Yesterday whole day we couldn't sleep. So this is what. Akash, what do you have to say about the dedication? Akash ji. So Akash, what about dedication to the girl child rights? What do you have to say?
Yeah, we dedicate this climb to the girl child. इस आपका चश्मा टूट गया. किसका था ये?
Oh,
shit.
Look at this.
Oh shit. क्या रखा हुआ था क्या? Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh my god.
Okay, Akash.
Oh man. So sorry, Hemant.
Shit, man. Raju! Deepak! Raju bhai! हाँ,
टूट गया
तो
क्या?
आकाश You finish the video. We just took off.
क्या?
हाँ, यहाँ पे ब्रेक मारा ना, दब गया वो.
So sorry man.
Shit. पूरा टूट गया क्या?
हाँ.
Oh shit.
I just hope I'll
Repair it.
नहीं repair नहीं. I mean I'll go through this.
Okay.
No thing. मेरा ले लो. मैं पावर वाला पेन लेता हूँ. हाँ अपना दे दे यार. हाँ लो. I don't want to.
हाँ start.
I dedicate this summit climb for a girl child. We want to spread awareness about putting an end to child marriage by the tiring climb, but then yeah, we have done it.
Okay,
Cool.
guys. I'm off.
Cool. See you. I'm also off.
2 मिनट मेरे
And-
को कोई कम नहीं देना, मैं चश्मा निकाल रहा हूँ.
So, we, the team Trek Unstoppable, dedicate this climb, the successful summit to Mount Shitidhar, to the girl child rights. Various rights as we have been talking about. We are very serious about this. We wouldn't be sitting in this high altitude, in these conditions here, walking all the night since 12 o'clock and talking about girl child rights if you are not serious about it. Guys, please spread our expedition conducted by iQuest Adventures in association with Child Rights and You, CRY, is a great success and hope it reaches out to the intended people that we want to reach to. Thank you. ऐसे मुश्किल लग रहा है ग्लेशियर थोड़ा सा पंगा है ये तो. पंगा सा लग रहा है, मुश्किल है. Expedition conducted by iQuest Adventures in association with Child Rights and You, CRY, is a great success and hope it reaches out to the intended people that we want to reach to. Thank you. बहुत बोल दिया क्या मैंने?
बहुत ज़्यादा बोल दिया यार.
क्या अभी रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है? एक मिनट
बंद कर दे.
नहीं, मैंने स्टॉप कट कर दिया मैंने. रुको. हाँ.
हेलो, मैं हेमंत सोरेंग बोल रहा हूँ इंडिया टीवी से. हम अभी लेडी लेक के यहाँ पे हैं, हिमाचल में, माउंट शितदर के नीचे. हम आपका एक इंटरव्यू प्रेजेंट करने वाले हैं आकाश जैन, जिन्होंने कल ही माउंट शितदर को क्लाइंब किया. आइए उनसे पूछते हैं. आकाश जैन,
नमस्ते.
नमस्ते. आपका ये सेकेंड पीक अटेम्प्ट, सक्सेसफुल पीक अटेम्प्ट है. पहले लास्ट ईयर आपने स्टोक कांगड़ी किया.
हाँ.
इस साल माउंट शितदर किया. कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
बहुत ही उम्दा फीलिंग आ रही है, अंदर से अच्छा लग रहा है. इतना अच्छा लग रहा है कि इतनी बढ़िया टीम थी मेरे साथ थे हेमंत भाई, सुनंद भाई साहब और सबीना बहन जी. बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है. थोड़ी थकावट महसूस हो रही है, लेकिन वो तो होनी ही चाहिए. और 4 समरसॉल्ट खाने के बाद तो इतना अच्छा लग रहा है, तो दुनिया ही घूम गई है मेरी.
आप मुझे ये बताइए.
समिट पे दिल चीर के गाना गाया है आपने.
ये है सबीना जी, जो कि बहुत ही
उम्दा जर्नलिस्ट है,
उम्दा क्लाइंबर और ट्रैकर है. इनसे पूछते हैं, आपका ये पहला पीक अटेम्प्ट था.
नमस्ते. नमस्ते.
आपको कैसा लग रहा है?
हमको बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, लेकिन हमारे टीममेट्स के सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर, जो टॉयलेट सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर ने हमको बहुत परेशान किया पूरा ट्रिप में. एक कंपटीशन चल रही थी कि किसका वर्स्ट जोक था, वो मेरे को बहुत परेशान किया. लेकिन अच्छा टीम है. हाँ बस.
थैंक यू. आप इंग्लैंड से आए हैं क्या?
हमको हिंदी ऐसे ही आना बोलता है.
अच्छा. अब हम अपने चौथे टीममेट से बोलते हैं,
सुनन संपथम का नाम सुनन जी। आइए आइए इधर आइए।
नमस्ते नमस्ते।
कैसा लग रहा है आपको, आप जरा बताइए।
चार चांद आ गए, क्या एक्सपीडिशन हुआ ये, तो हमें तो बहुत ही आनंद
क्या
हो
हम
रहा है।
आप हमको चांद बुला रहे हैं?
चांद चांद क्या, सितारे को बुलाएंगे हम आपको।
चांद मेरा दिल,
चांद मेरा
चांद
दिल।
नहीं हो तो
दिल चीर के देखो।
ये देखो यही बोल रही थी मैं, यही बोल रही थी मैं।
चीर के
ये
देखो, तेरा ही
कैसे
नाम होगा।
ये पूरा पूरा मेरे को सुनना
ये जो
पड़ा।
गाना था ये हमारा समिट का ऑफिशियल ट्रैक था। दिल चीर के देख तेरा ही नाम होगा, ये जो गाना था, क्या गाना बनाया है कुमार सानू जी का। ये गाना बहुत ही आनंद भय गाना था। आपको कैसा लग रहा है हेमंत जी अभी?
हमको तो आनंद ही आनंद आ रहा है।
आनंद ही आनंद।
दिल चीर गया है मेरा,
दिल चीर गया। क्या बात है, क्या
और
बात
नाम
है,
ही
वाह,
नाम निकल रहे हैं उसमें।
वाह 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 वाह।
ओके।